Welcome back to IKnowGadgets, your ultimate source for the latest tech reviews and recommendations. Today, we have an exciting topic that will surely ignite your creativity and bring your ideas to life. We'll be diving into the world of 3D printing and showcasing the 5 best 3D printers of 2023 that you can get your hands on. Whether you're an artist, engineer, or hobbyist, these cutting-edge printers are here to revolutionize your crafting experience. So, let's jump right in. Number 5. ELEGOO Mars 3 Pro Resin 3D Printer. Introducing the ELEGOO Mars 3 Pro Resin 3D Printer, a powerful and versatile printer that delivers exceptional printing quality and performance. With its 6.6-inch 4K monochrome LCD screen and replaceable anti-scratch tempered glass, the Mars 3 Pro ensures high-resolution printing at 4098 x 2560, preserving the intricate details of your models. The upgraded freeform surface Cobb lens, paired with the Fresnel lens, provides an even beam of 405 nm wavelength, resulting in a smooth surface finish and incredible printing quality. Say goodbye to unpleasant smells and enjoy a fresh printing environment. The copper heat tubes and powerful cooling fan provide efficient heat transfer and cooling, extending the printer's lifespan. Number 4. Anycubic Vyper 3D Printer. The Anycubic Vyper 3D Printer, an upgrade in the world of 3D printing. With its intelligent auto-leveling system and a large printing size of 9.6 x 9.6 x 10.2, the Vyper takes your printing experience to the next level. The intelligent leveling system, equipped with a 16-point precise pressure strain gauge, ensures that the height is adjusted automatically, simplifying your print preparation and significantly improving your print success rate. Say goodbye to manual bed leveling and hello to effortless printing. With additional features such as double fan two-way heat dissipation, a 4.3 LCD screen, and fast assembly, the Anycubic Vyper enhances your overall printing experience. Number 3. Original Prusa i3 MK3 Plus 3D Printer Kit, the latest version of their award-winning 3D printers. This kit comes with everything you need to assemble your own printer and unleash your creativity. The MK3S Plus features fully automatic mesh bed leveling, making the calibration process a breeze. With the IR filament sensor and filament auto-loading support, you can enjoy uninterrupted printing as the printer pauses when the filament runs out. To get you started, the kit includes a free sample of Prusa PLA, so you can begin printing right away. Prusa Research takes pride in providing top-quality products directly to customers. Number 2. Creality Ender 3 S1 Pro 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3 S1 Pro is a powerhouse of a 3D printer with some exciting upgrades. With its 300 degrees Celsius high-temperature nozzle, you can explore a wide range of filaments including PLA, ABS, PVA, wood, TPU, PETG, and PA, unlocking endless creative possibilities. Featuring a spring steel PEI magnetic build plate, the Ender 3 S1 Pro ensures excellent adhesion while allowing for easy removal of printed models. Navigate effortlessly with the 4.3-inch touchscreen, available in 9 languages for seamless user interaction. The screen also includes an energy-saving feature that automatically dims after 3 minutes of an activity. Plus, the built-in LED light illuminates your prints, even in dark environments. With the CR Touch automatic leveling system, you can achieve precise and efficient leveling. This 16-point leveling process saves you time by quickly compensating for height differences on the heat bed. Number 1. Anycubic Kobra Max 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra Max 3D Printer offers an expansive build size of 17.7 x 15.7 x 15.7, 45 x 40 x 40 centimeters, providing you with ample space for your daily and household printing needs. Say goodbye to size limitations and explore endless possibilities. With the self-developed Anycubic Levy leveling function, calibration becomes a breeze. This smart and precise 25-point calibration system automatically compensates for any unevenness in the heated bed. Never worry about running out of filament again. The built-in filament runout sensor intelligently detects filament supply. If your printer runs out of filament, it will pause automatically, allowing you to replenish without losing your progress. At Anycubic, we prioritize customer satisfaction. As one of the best 3D printer brands, we provide top-notch printers and offer lifetime technical support and 24/7 professional customer service. And that wraps up our list of the 5 best 3D printers of 2023. We hope you found this guide informative and inspiring. If you want to learn more about any of these printers or make a purchase, you can find the links in the description below. Remember, the world of 3D printing is evolving rapidly, so stay tuned to IKnowGadgets for more exciting tech updates. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep creating and innovating.